Hi, I thought I would show you a way around the course just for navigation purposes, and I'm demonstrating technology, just a screencast technology called Screencast-O-Matic. It's actually a free tool at screencast-o-matic.com, and it's free for anything up to 15 minutes. You will get a watermark, but even the paid version is actually not too bad for cost. Just here at the first page that you see when you log into the BC Campus LMS called Scope. And these are the different courses that I have. And in this case, you'll have this one right here, Facilitating Learning Online. And it says it's for October, which is great. And this is what the course looks like. This is the hub right here. And that's kind of home base, so to speak. There's a really good resource here, the workshop handbook, that goes through outcomes. It goes through kind of the nature of the course, a lot of good stuff in there. A schedule is here as well, and that's also useful just to see where we're at. And then the list of facilitation teams and sessions. That'll actually be updated on Sunday night before the class starts. And also here is the FLO Ultra web conferencing room. So we'll have 2 synchronous sessions during the time, and we'll be able to join together and meet together using this tool, which is a Collaborate Ultra. And this is the particular one that we'll be using for our general course stuff. And this one is actually available for you to work in as groups as well. So I'm just going to go back to the main part here, actually the hub. You can see up here that it's kind of a breadcrumb trail, and that's actually kind of useful. So I'm just going to back to the main course here as well. Okay, and so in this case, so this is the FLIF, this is the location of the FLIF, which is in the hub. The FLIF is the kind of assessment, self-assessment that we do after you finish facilitating with your team. FLIF stands for Feel, Like, Improve, and Feedback. And that's one of the things you do after you facilitate for the week. All right, and then finally there's a facilitation teams workspace. And then I just wanted to mention something there. In this case, for your teams and how you're facilitating, the content is already there, and also the plan is already there. You just have to execute that plan. And in this case, we've got, say, a diversity team, which is first up. We've got the activity plan here. And then this is actually a second communication tool called just kind of a private group. So the only people that can participate in the group are people in your group. And so that's also an alternative for your communication. You're also feel free to use your own communication tool as well. I know that there'll be lots of communication in the first little bit. All right, and then other than that, we have different weeks here, and this is a typical week, and there's content in the overview, and then there's often some discussion forums. Okay, so that is just a bit of a brief overview. Oh yeah, so on the left there's kind of a navigation tab here. You can get to the different tabs this way as well. And then also on the right is quick links, which is a couple of different quick links. All right, we'll see you in the course.